about those geeses out there here in Coles County? All right, we're in Coles County, and we're at one of the old bridges here in Coles County. We are basically just right outside of Humboldt here, and we are waiting on a train. It's a pretty area through here, like the old train trestle. Look at the bricks. See if I can zoom in down there. Might be hard to see, but the old steel beam and the brick there. Cool looking trestle, and we have a Canadian National. We do have a green light, so that is what we're waiting on. We're waiting for a Canadian National to jump through here. Another beautiful day. The geese are out. I'm going to keep an eye on this train. Hope he gets here soon. But yeah, take a look. Take a look at this old bridge. Probably early or late 1800s, early 1900 bridge. Right here. Been put to a lot of use over the years, that's for sure. But I hear some humming, so we'll hopefully catch this guy.
With 1896, is that correct? Over.
Oh, yeah, he's in the area. Just had somebody call in on the scanner. He is in the area. Tell you what, we're just going to be able to catch a little glimpse of him coming across here, because it is really, the trees have really grown up around here in the spring, have really grown up. But it's the best time of year, no doubt about it. The best time of year. But in the wintertime, it's good to catch over here too, so we'll see what we got. We'll check back with you when he gets across this bridge. Can't wait. Canadian National time. All right, guys, looks like we have a train on the way. I can't tell if it's 1 or 2 NS units, but we're going to check it out together. Here we go. Single NS unit. Haven't caught one since the grain train down in Effingham. But there he goes. Those are some empty coal cars. I thought there might be a DPU on it, but seeing as they're empty, probably not. All right, guys. That's great. If you like the video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Guys, please subscribe to my channel for more content. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Guys, we're here in Mount Vernon. I caught it's the end of it. There goes NS. This is Norfolk Southern line. Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll hit another one here.